How to order from Walmart. Let's get started. Make sure you have already logged into your Walmart account. You will land to the home page. Now you can scroll down and check out the items. Or also you can search for the item. At the top you will see the search box. Over there type in the name of the item that you want to purchase. For now I will be selecting this item to purchase. You just have to click on the item and add it to the cart. You will get this option of add to cart. Click on it. Once you are done adding items to the cart, you will see this option of view cart over here. Click on it. Now over here you're gonna find the details of your items. Just scroll down. Once you check the items, click on the option of continue to checkout. Now you have to provide your shipping details. Once you provide your shipping details, now you have to add a payment method. So type in your card number and then click on continue, and in the next page you have to confirm your order. With that you will be good to go. So this is how you can easily order from Walmart. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.